So one thing that I think is a little weird from the other video is that you can sort of go to this main page without being logged in, and then it'll say hello guest, but then you can also log out. Um, I think the best way to fix this is to just say that you can't go to the slash route if you are not logged in. And so what I want to do here is say if the request.cookies.user is there's no request.cookies.user, then I want to redirect to the login page. Else, I want to go ahead and render the request.cookies.user.username. Okay, so let's restart the server, and now if I refresh, it should redirect me since I'm not logged in. Okay, and then if I sign in, I should still be able to get to the slash page. Okay, so that looks good. One other problem here with the sign up is that the cookie is basically just the user data. So this could be a problem if somebody decides to try to log themselves in as another user. What they can do is set their own cookie. They can kind of forge their own cookie to have the username property, and the value of that could be another object with the username of some other user, and then that would allow them to log in as that user even without knowing that user's password. There's a couple ways around this. The way that I'm going to solve this problem is by using a JWT token. Instead of setting the user directly, I want to use a JWT token to basically encrypt the user data. So first I need to get the JWT token library. So JWT stands for JSON Web Token. You can go ahead and require that. Okay. And then here in these two spots, I'm setting the cookie as the user. Instead of just setting the cookie value as user, what I want to do now is do a JWT dot sign and pass the user and some secret key. Okay, and so let's see what that looks like in the browser. Oops. Okay, so you can see that we have this JWT token here in the cookie. So this makes it much more difficult for somebody to pretend to be another user. But now, let's see. But now we have the problem that we lost the username because we have to basically get the user data out of the JWT token. And the way that we can do that is we say the user is equal to jwt.verify. We get the cookie. Here we're getting the JWT token out from the cookies, and then we have to pass it the same secret key from before. So this secret has to match these secrets. But this, okay, so this string secret can be anything, but they just have to match here, here, and here. And then now this user is going to be the same as this user. This data is the same as this data. Because first we wrap the user in this JWT token, and then here we kind of unwrap the JWT token to get back the user, the original user data that was in here. And so now this should work if we restart the server. Okay.